Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2020 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, FWD, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.